Hey guys, it's Miss Borgnis. We're going to be making pizza bubble bread today. So I'm just going to get started. Make sure you wash your hands first, as always. And the reason you need a hole in the center is the same reason a donut needs a hole in the center, which would be because it needs to cook evenly around the outside. So when you're measuring, you want to make sure it's on a flat surface. At eye level, you want to get down, and you want to check and make sure that the bottom of the meniscus is there. And you can see that it's grown quite a bit from what it was. None of those glass spaces are showing anymore. So you can either serve this in individual bubbles, or you can just cut it like a pizza, put it on a plate. Okay, and enjoy.